You don't become the brand known for safety by playing it safe. Safety is at the heart of all we do. It pushes us to challenge ourselves. Our solutions make it easier for drivers to avoid accidents, reduce injury risk, and make the road safer for all. We continue to believe in the power of next-generation safety technologies and their ability to help drivers prevent accidents before they occur. On our latest VNL, we introduce a proprietary active safety system that takes integration to a whole new level. Greater visibility gives drivers more time to react, further reducing the risk of collision. We go to great lengths to advance our zero-accident vision, yet recognize the need to protect drivers in the event of an accident. The all-new VNL is reinforced with leading-edge and often Volvo-exclusive safety technologies. We are the pioneers of safety, and this is what pioneers do. Drive progress.